In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a subgroup in GitLab. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just want to better organize your development efforts, creating subgroups can be a fantastic way to keep everything tidy and accessible. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll walk you through each step clearly and effectively. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your parent group page within GitLab. This is where all your main organizational settings are housed, and it's the starting point for creating any new subgroup. If you're unsure where to find it, you can usually access it from your GitLab dashboard under the Groups section. Once you're on the parent group page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to understand the interface you're working with, as it can make the process smoother. Now, on to the next step. In the top right corner of your parent group page, you'll see a button labeled New Subgroup. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to setting up a new subgroup under the existing parent group. Clicking it will open a new section where you can start customizing your subgroup. Here, you'll need to enter your subgroup name. This is how your subgroup will be identified, so choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose or the projects it will contain. And right next to the name field, you'll also see the subgroup URL. This URL is generated automatically based on the name you enter, but you can modify it if needed to better suit your organizational style or preferences. Remember that the URL is what you'll use to quickly access this subgroup later on, so make sure it's intuitive and easy to remember. Next up is selecting the visibility level for your subgroup. You'll have three options to choose from: private, internal, or public. If you select private, only users who are explicitly granted access will be able to view or interact with the subgroup. This is a great option if you're working with sensitive or proprietary information. Internal visibility allows all users within the GitLab instance to view the subgroup, but they must be signed in. Finally, public makes the subgroup visible to everyone, even those who aren't signed in. Consider the nature of the projects and the desired audience when choosing the visibility level. It's crucial to get this right at the start to avoid any access issues later on. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and selected the appropriate visibility level, the final step is to click the Create Subgroup button. This will save your settings and officially establish your new subgroup within the parent group. Congratulations! You've successfully created a subgroup in GitLab. Creating subgroups can greatly enhance your project management capabilities by allowing you to organize related projects under a larger umbrella. It not only improves navigability, but also helps in managing permissions and visibility, keeping your workflow efficient and secure. Remember that you can always go back and adjust settings or modify the subgroup as your needs evolve. Thank you for watching this video on how to create a subgroup in GitLab. I hope you found the tutorial helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tech insights. Happy coding!